quick scope here. As you guys can see, I bring SNX and I bring water guns. It's 11:26. It's been over 10 minutes, but 5 minutes since my last video. We have not even tried to start the game. So, as you guys can see, we're all here. He's saying, what do you guys want? I'm gonna message him second map, question mark. Second map. Okay, we're still sitting here, guys. I don't know what he's doing. We just got out of the first map, and then we had to do the update as seen in URL 1. And they're not doing anything in the party. I'm gonna message you have a minute to start because they've been sitting in this party.
Wow, we have 1 minute to start after you do a little 56 fucking left. Okay.
127, guys, about to be 128. Guys. Yo, guys, I bright water guns, all right there, guys. 11:28. We've been sitting in here for what now? 2 minutes now since I made this video, and it's been 7 minutes between first match and this match. So, and they're refusing to play the game, guys. They're sitting here and they're not playing. I can't tell you guys. I can't show you guys what they're saying because I have my headset on. Guys, they're getting really mad, but look, I'm gonna message them again. Alright, guys, look, I messaged them forfeit if no start. They are not starting the game, guys. So that's a forfeit for them. Okay, guys, look, 11:29. It's been way too long. That's a no-show or a forfeit for second and third map. As you can see, I did report. Show you guys that we've been sitting in here. It's been way too long. They still haven't started it up yet. My teammate already left to go report now because look, guys, it's been over. What is it, like 15 minutes, 10 minutes since I made the one video. So that's a forfeit second and third map, guys. Thank you, guys. Peace out.